Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Gigi. So it's almost Mother's Day. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. If you're watching this the day it came out. If you're not, then I hope you had a happy Mother's Day or are having a happy Mother's Day. I actually, it's one of my grandson's birthdays today, so we were all together today for that. And I think we're going to get together again tomorrow. So holidays are fabulous. I get to see my family. I love it so much. I hope that whatever you're doing tomorrow is awesome, whether you're celebrating or not. There it is. So now that we've got them all white, what I'm doing, is doing some color blocking, just a little color blocking. And I think these nails turn out just so gorgeous. They're classic, but romantic, but very subtle. Even though there's a lot going on, it's still in a subtle way. And I really, really am enamored with this set, I must say. I've been seeing a lot of color blocking, and that is what really inspired me. And I wanted to add a little twist to it, so we're going to add some floral details, which I think are pretty. You could totally hand draw your floral details, but the look I was going for, I'm not actually capable of in my art yet, so I decided to rely on something that would make it a little easier. And I think it's nice to show easier sets because not everybody is capable of doing all of the art, right? So it's nice to have things to fall back on that can really still give you beautiful nails. And I think transfer foil is one of those things. And like, let's say you were working with your non-dominant hand. Maybe you can't do any art. Like I can barely do any art with my non-dom. So I really rely on that kind of stuff for working with my non-dominant. So we're going to be doing that pretty soon. I needed to get fresh nails on. It's happening. It's happening now. So this is our first layer of transfer foil. And we're just using this really pretty marble. It's very subtle, not super in your face. It's white with a little gray in it. And then on top of that, I'm not going to show putting down any more transfer foil gel, just the one time. You know what I'm doing. Then we're going to add this pretty little rose with a spray of little buds there and some leaves and whatnot. And I'm sure there's some people out there that can do the work, hand paint this. I'm not up to that yet. Okay, my art is nowhere near that. So, but one day, I mean, I can do some roses and stuff, but I felt like this was really what I was going for, almost that wallpaper look. Sort of, right? Subtle wallpaper. And of course we added that little butterfly. Then we added that striping tape. So we're almost to Pride Month, guys. I love Pride Month. I love going to Pride. I've not been in a long time. It's really hot here in San Diego, though. Not yet. It starts next week, though. We're going to be getting into the 90s. So Pride for me here is probably not going to happen. But I'm still going to celebrate it on the channel. And I want to make sure with everything that's going on politically in the United States right now, I just want to say out loud and proud that I support the alphabet crowd. I love the L's, the B's, the T's, the Q's, all of it. Okay, I love everyone. And everyone is supported and loved here. And we're, of course, going to celebrate Pride this year on the channel like we do every year. Not every set next month won't be Pride, but we're going to throw in some Pride. I love Pride. I think everyone should be proud of who they are. And that's why I love Pride. So we're definitely going to celebrate it. We're going to add some more here of the striping tape. There we go. As you can see, this last part of the video was a little brighter. I'm starting to figure out how to use my phone better. So the video should start getting a little bit better. As far as visuals go, I'm always trying to improve myself no matter what I'm doing. So I hope the videos are always getting better. But this is such a pretty set. And I was about to say this is the finished set. I know you know that. This is the finished set. But I messed myself up there by doing one more thing. I love these. I've already said that I love these. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I think they're classic and beautiful, sexy, romantic, a little bit sophisticated. I think you could get away with wearing these to almost any occasion, for a vacation or just for fun. Talk to me in the comment section. We're going to see you next week. Bye-bye, guys. Have a wonderful day.